students, happy Monday. I hope that you had an awesome weekend, relaxing. I hope you were able to enjoy some of the nice weather. But now it's Monday, we're back into learning, and this week we're going to start some new things that I think that you might like. So let's take a look at our slides for today. Go all the way back up quick. Okay, good morning. Today is Monday, April 27th. Can you believe it's almost the end of April already? Your reading goal for this whole week is students will describe connections. So I hope that when you say that you're making a link with your hands like we would if we were in school, connections between scientific ideas in order to design and to explain how plants depend on animals to pollinate or disperse seeds. So the materials you're going to need today are your choice board, the honey's bees text, the seeds need to move text, a pencil, and your independent reading books. You can also have your learning packet available. And if you haven't gotten it yet, I know a lot of you have been getting it late. That's okay. There's a link at the bottom of this slide where you can access the entire packet. All right, your success criteria for this week is the students can find and state the main topic after reading an informational text. The students can find the focus of specific paragraphs within a text. The students can identify the key information of scientific ideas or concepts in a text. And the students can identify and describe the connection of a series of events or steps. And then in science, your success criteria is the students can use a picture or a drawing, a model, to describe how animals help with seed dispersal. So there's your vocabulary for this week. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to watch this cute little song about how seeds move and disperse. Then you're going to move to your choice board. Today, you're going to complete the first activity on the choice board, the one that I've drawn a red circle around. If you need help reading these texts, follow along in the next slide. I have a video for each text where I am reading them. This question, what connections can you make between the text? You can write it down. It says jot down, but you don't have to turn anything in. There's the reading of honeybees. And there's the reading of seeds need to move. After that, you are going to find your comfy spot, set your timer for 30 minutes, and begin reading. Your purpose for reading today and this whole week is to enjoy yourself. So I really want you to start enjoying reading because we have so much time to do it now. I know that I have been reading a lot of books after I'm done with my schoolwork for the day, and I've really started to enjoy that. So while you're reading, try and jot down a part that you liked, something that made you laugh, or maybe a part that you want to share with someone else. Let's get started in math for today. You can take a little break between reading and math. Math should take you about 20 to 25 minutes every day. Here are some resources if you need them. All right, your success criteria for today is I can partition a whole into halves, thirds, and fourths and use appropriate vocab to describe the parts. I can use the terms half of, third of, and fourth or quarter of to describe parts of shapes. I can show that equal shares of a whole don't have to be the same shape or look the same. So it says before we begin, please cut out these pieces from your offline learning packet. So all of these pieces that you see in your packet, you're going to cut them out. Then you're going to watch this video on how on how to make your own anchor chart. That is so cool. Normally Mrs. Rep makes them or we make them together, but you get to make your own. Then there's another video you're going to watch here introducing the learning goal and success criteria, which is also here. And then you're going to watch one more video, a Learn Zillion video on counting fractions of a whole using fraction strips. Remember, when you're watching Learn Zillion, you have to watch it in the small size because if you click the full screen button over here, it's going to ask you for a username and password, and we don't have access to that. So make sure you're watching the small version of the video. After that, you're done for the day. You worked so hard. Remember to go back over to Google Classroom and see if there's any encore assignments you need to complete or maybe any reading group assignments you need to complete. And then you're done for the day. Have a great night, and I will see you again tomorrow.